Hello everyone and welcome to another video. أهلا بكم متابعينا في فيديو جديد. As usual, our lesson today is an English lesson dedicated to all middle school learners, but more specifically the fourth and final year of middle school. يعني درسنا اليوم موجه لكل تلاميذ المتوسط ولكن بالأخص لتلاميذ السنة الرابعة متوسط. In the second term, fourth year learners are going to see a review about all the tenses they saw in the previous years, starting with the present simple, the present continuous, and the past simple. Today we'll see the past continuous, or the past progressive, and as a remark, you can find all about the other tenses in this channel. A في الفصل الثاني تلاميذ السنة الرابعة متوسط رايحين يشوفوا تذكير لكل التصريفات اللي شافوهم في السنوات الماضية. وكملاحظة هذه التصريفات كامل رايحين تصيبهم في فيديوهات مشابهة لهذا الفيديو في هذه القناة. So let's dive in and see all about the past continuous. يلا نبداو مع بعض ونشوفوا كل الخواص تحت التصريف. The past continuous, known also as the past progressive. يعني إذا قريتوا the past continuous or the past progressive, it's the same thing, نفس الشيء. It is used to talk about a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. معناها نستعمله لنتحدث عن شيء حصل في الماضي وأخذ مدة معينة من الزمن. In order to form the past continuous tense, you have to follow this rule. First, you're going to start with the subject. Then, you're going to add the past simple of the verb to be, which means you're going to use either was or were. And finally, you're going to end with the ing form of the given verb. To understand, follow with me. تبعوا معايا. In here we have to start with the past simple of the verb to be, and then we're going to add the ing form of the given verb. The first verb we have to write. So we're going to say I was writing, you were writing, he was writing, she was writing, we were writing, you were writing, and they were writing. And we're going to do the same thing for the second verb to do and the third verb to cook. Let's see the use of this tense in few sentences. يلا نشوفوا استعمال تحدث التصريف في بعض الجمل. The first sentence. The kids were playing in the garden. Sentence 2. Yesterday at 6 p.m. I was preparing dinner. The third sentence. He was watching TV last night. In each sentence we were talking about a continuing action that took place in the past, and that's the reason we've used the past continuous. The negative form of this tense is so easy. We're only going to follow the previous rule and add not. Follow with me. We're going to start with the subject plus was or were plus not, and then we're going to finish with the ing form of the given verb. For instance, he was not swimming in the pool. You were not working hard last week. And this was all about the negative form. Let's move now to see how to use this tense in questions. يلا نشوفوا كيفاش نستعملوا هذا التصريف في الأسئلة. In questions we're going to start with WH question words. That is to say what, where, when, why, who, which, etc. And then we're going to use was or were plus the subject plus the ing form of the given verb, plus the rest of the sentence if there's any, plus the question mark. يعني رايحين نستعملوا نفس الطريقة، الاختلاف الوحيد هو أننا رايحين نقلبوا البلاصة تاع الفاعل و the verb to be in the past، نسبقوا the verb to be في هذه الحالة ونخليو السوجي من موراه. For instance, what were you doing yesterday? Question mark. In here we didn't say what you were doing yesterday. That is wrong. It is a question, so we're going to say what were you doing yesterday. The same thing in the second question. Where was he working? We didn't say where he was working because that's incorrect. And this was simply all about the past continuous or the past progressive. يعني كان هذا هو محتوى الدرس بالكامل. At the end, don't forget to subscribe for the channel. ما تنساوش الاشتراك في القناة باش يوصلكم كل جديد. Thank you all for watching and see you next time in another video.